Hello! You have a lot of red or black currants and you don't know what to do with this wonderful fruit? I come to you with my solution, Rahatlokum, a delicacy from the first part of the Chronicles of Narnia, but in the Polish version. Let's go! So first I peel the stalks and wash the currant thoroughly and put it into the pot. For me it will be half a kilo of red and half a kilo of black currant. Then add 250 grams of sugar, mix it and add half a liter of water. Bring to the boil and cook for about 20-30 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix 200 grams of potato starch with about 1 glass of water. Pour it into the currant, mix it thoroughly and cook for another 2 minutes. Butter the bottom of a mold or glass dish. Put the mass and leave it for at least 3 hours in the refrigerator, preferably overnight. Once it has cooled down nicely, I place it on the tabletop, sprinkle it with powdered sugar and cut it into strips. Then I dice it into cubes. Now I take this cube and coat it on each side in powdered sugar. And our currant jellies are ready to eat. Bon appétit! For more interesting and healthy recipes, visit my channel. Bye!